Yeah, thank you so much, Honorable Deputy Chairman, for giving me an opportunity to deliver the motion of thanks to Honorable President's speech. Honorable Deputy Chairman, first of all, I want to emphasize the Honorable President's speech, serial number 72, which indicates the Union government policy for rapid development of the Northeast. Our Honorable President pointed out about the construction of road in the Northeast, especially in the state of Assam, like riverway and along the construction of road along the Brahmaputra River. So, Honorable Deputy Chairman, I would like to point it out, in addition to this, Modi's government have done so many things in our state, that is Mizoram, in the field of road construction. The Modi's government has taken so many steps for the construction of road that will be very helpful to implement Act East policy, such as construction of 4-lane road from Silchar to Aizawl, about to start. So it is the government of India is preparing to hold a tender from Silchar to Aizawl 4-lane road, and construction of 2-lane road from Aizawl to Champhai have been started this year, which will connect Indo-Myanmar Border Trade Center at Qatar. I hope we all know this border trade center have been started some years back, but due to the coronavirus pandemic, this border trade center have been closed maybe about 10 or 11 months. So this construction of 2-lane road will connect this border trade center near the Myanmar boundary, and construction of 2-lane road from Seling to Tuipang. This Tuipang is the southernmost, one of the southernmost villages in the Myanmar border also constructing. And long try to Paletwa Myanmar Seaport road construction of 2-lane had been started. So this long try to Paletwa road will connect the road up to Bay of Bengal within Myanmar. So this road will be very helpful for the people of Mizoram, not only for the people of Mizoram, but also for the whole people of the Northeast. And Lunglei to Tlabung, Indo-Bangladesh Border trade road is ready for calling tender this month. So central government is ready to call tender for this construction of Lunglei to Tlabung road. Tlabung is situated at the boundary of Bangladesh, in the bank of the Kawngpui River. So the Honorable Prime Minister Modi's government is preparing to establish new border trade center here. The name of that village is Kawrpuichhuaha, which is the river bank of Kawngpui. So up to this village, the Union government is preparing to construct new road from Lunglei town to up to this Kawrpuichhuaha. So those constructing road will be very helpful for the state of Mizoram. And Tripura to Aizawl National Highway 44A the border is also under construction. So I express my heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister Modi's government for doing all this work in our state. In the meantime, Honorable Deputy Speaker, I would like to express my hope for the construction of Indo-Bangladesh Border Road along the border fencing line, because many BSF border outposts and the surrounding villages have no road connectivity. Yeah, I have visited this border place just before I come down here for this session. I have discovered some villages have been put outside border fencing, and about 10 border outposts have no road connectivity from any part of India. It is situated just like an island. So, in addition to this, I would like to mention it will be very important to establish new border road along the border fencing, which will connect some villages, and that will also connect some border outposts of the BSF. Secondly, Honorable Deputy Chairman, I would like to express the Honorable President address, serial number 3, 5, and 6, that how Modi's government encountered the multiple problems during the time of COVID-19 pandemic. I hope we all know Indo-China border problem, Indo-Pakistan border problem, major cyclone in several states, earthquakes, floods, locust attack, bird flu, coronavirus. All those different problems prevailed Modi's government last year. We all know. I hope we all know it. We all know what happened at Indo-China border last year. Standoff was a popular word throughout the country. The fear of China remains in the hearts of some people since Chinese aggression of Arunachal in 1962 to till 2020. However, I'd like to emphasize the Honorable Modi's government completely changed the mindset of those people who fear the Chinese army, who fear the Chinese invasion. Modi's government have been completely changed the mindset of those people so that they could possess unwavering faith upon our armed forces. In the meantime, simultaneous challenge came to us of saving lives.
Please conclude now. Time is. Please.
Yeah.
Conclude.
In the meantime, simultaneous challenge came to us of saving lives of the citizens and protecting the economy. In order to save the lives of our people, we have to close some institutions, some marketplace, and we have to stop some vehicle movement. Even air service and railway line have been to stop so as to save our own people. But if we have done like this, it hampers the life of our economy.
Please.
So those kind of simultaneous problems have been happening last year. But in the meantime, the Modi's government could survive in the midst of those different problems. As we all know, in the field of agriculture, farmer production has been increased.
Please conclude. Your time is over.
20%.
Your time is over. Please conclude.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
Please conclude.
Yeah. Okay. Let me conclude, Honorable Deputy Chairman. In the meantime, India has done best in the field of fighting about coronavirus. Even in USA, only 60% positive cases have been recovered. But in India, 96% have been recovered in pandemic positive case. Not only this, the government of India could provide COVID-19 vaccine, which is its own production. It is a great thing.
Please end your speech now. We have already taken more time. Please.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, let me conclude. So, I thank God, our Lord Jesus Christ, who led Honorable Modi's government, so as to attain this great victory. Thank you.
Thank you.